So far, we've done a great job kind of assessing the stuff that has been kind of neglected over the years. Part of that is really actually getting it cleaned up first and foremost. When we got the vehicle, the underside of it was covered in 𝗥𝗲𝘀𝘁cie𝗿𝗶𝗴. It's a protective coating that they used to put on the cars. It was very, very thick on this car. So we made a decision actually to dry ice blast. The dry ice blast allows us to kind of see what was underneath all of that. And the amazing part is it really takes care of everything that was there from factory. So we still see all the markings, we still see all the chalk marks and the markings from where a bolt needed to be tightened to a certain point from the factory. And it's just absolutely amazing to see the preservation that was there and is still there even after we dry iced it, which turned out phenomenal. I mean, the car looks like it's brand new, fresh from the factory.
Jim, what's the plan for today?
Well, we're going to try to get the whole drivetrain out, see how we do, taking care of any oil leaks and such. And then there's a coolant leak back in here that is really not accessible with the engine in the car, so we'll take care of the coolant leak that's back here and seeing what other surprises we find. What's 5 years?
Right now I'm scraping.
Well, our big goal here has been to reseal this side. This is the cam housing, the water pump. We'd like to do one whole side and get it back together. Well, we got to take the center out of this water pump, same as we did the other one. The problem is the O-ring that's down in here that seals between this half and this half gets corrosion builds up in there, and then what happens is the two, through electrolysis, tries to become one, and so we have to convince it that it is two pieces and for this to come out without breaking either one in half.
All right, firing the
Go
hole,
ahead.
right? Clear.
Is it going to clear it?
Yeah. It'll keep going. Yeah, it's cut out.
All right.